Hello everyone, welcome to yet another vlog of Be Classy and Sassy with me Rishali. Thank you for showing so much of love and support and continue to do the same. If you're watching my vlog for the first time, hit the subscribe button below. Do like and share it with your friends and family. Today's vlog is on lifestyle. So if you're a shopaholic and love to fill in your cart with lot of high-end quality lifestyle products, I have a great news for you, especially for those in Kalaburagi. So without wasting any time, let's start with the vlog.
The great news is the Korean designer brand Bekos is open in Kalaburagi at City Center Mall.
So right now I'm at the entrance of Bekos Kalaburagi. Let's go into the store and check out what all is there. Hello, I'm back home. I had great day shopping at Bekos. I've got lot of things from Bekos and at a very affordable price. So the first thing which I have bought is into home furnishing. I've got this pretty floor mats. I purchased it because of the print it has. And the backside of the mat is very durable and it is made of thermoplastic. And I've purchased two of it. This is for $4.99 and the second one is for $5.99, and both the mats are made up of thermoplastic rubber on the back side, so it is anti-skid. The second thing in home furnishing which I purchased is this laundry bag which is made up of khadi cotton. It is brownish in color. I like the print. It is very handy to carry. They have given two handles for this, and also the storage space is quite decent. So I feel this was a good deal. I purchased it for $5.99. The next set of things which I have purchased in kitchenware is this seasoning box or storage box. It has three sets inside which are easily removable and washable. It is made up of PP material and it is corrosive resistance. It has three tiny spoons which are given inside, which will make things easy for you. You can store in pickles, dry fruits, spices. This multi-purpose box is for $3.90. The second one in kitchenware which I have purchased, which looks like stone but is made up of fiber, is this beautiful grey color stone finished mortar and pestle set. It is for around 149 rupees. I think that was a great deal. And the second last thing which I have purchased in kitchenware is this beautiful fiber foldable drain tray. If you press it here, it becomes your drain tray. You can wash your vegetables and fruits. And when you press it back, it turns out to be a tray. I think it's very creative and it's versatile. And the price for this is around 143 rupees. The last thing in kitchenware are these beautiful wooden spoons. I liked it and I purchased it because it is heat resistant and it is non-stick. And it's quite big for cooking. The price is, this one is for $139 and this is for $149. The next thing or the last thing in kitchenware I purchased from Bekos is this stainless steel egg beater. It is for $159. I usually use it for baking cakes to mix the ingredients thoroughly. And why I purchased it? Because the old one which I had was broken. I forgot to show you this cooking tool which I purchased from Bekos. It is a pizza slicer. It is for 149 rupees. It is made up of stainless steel. So if you visit Beko store in Kalburgi, you will find a very cool and colorful counter for stationery. I have taken certain things from there. I like this pen because of the tassel and the hanging it has. It is a nice gel pen with a fine nib. It writes really well. It is for 99 rupees. Then I purchased a set of boxes of normal regular pencil and colorful pencils. Each of the boxes have 12 quantities each, and the price for the normal pencil is 79 and the color pencil is 149. The second thing I liked is this beautiful notepad. I liked it mainly because of the color and the golden spiral which it has. You can write your to-do list and important things which you want to note it down. I came across this cute and tiny greeting, so I really liked it. Nowadays you don't find greetings, everything is like on emails, and this was for 39 rupees. The next thing which I like, but it is not in the stationery section, I like this shopping bag. I think it is versatile. You can even use it for your college, or if you go to hospital, you can carry your file. It has just this button. You can easily open it. There's no zip here, and it is very lightweight. I like the creative design which the bag has, also the color, and it is like very easy to carry. And the price is around 3.99. I do lot of table work, or while watching TV I usually have lot of neck pain, and because of carrying bags also I sometimes have shoulder pain. So I picked up this neck pillow. It is grey in color. It is really fashionable, and they have given one press button over here. You can easily put it, and it's very comfortable. I like the fabric which they have used. It is very soft, and the price for this pillow is 3.99. I purchased it not for luxury, but it was a necessity for me. When I went to the ladies cosmetics and accessories counter, I went crazy. I love the stuff they have in the store. The first thing I liked about is this eye bag. It comes with the ice pack. So what you can do is refrigerate it and use it when you are sleeping. I have taken it because most of the time I am on laptop and on mobile. So at the end of the day, my eyes are tired. They become red and they are very itchy. So this will completely smooth my eyes. And since I am photosensitive also, I can sleep peacefully. And the price was just 99 rupees. It's so cute it is. The next thing, I have this small handy mirror for bag. It is a dual mirror if you see. I liked it because the finishing it has, and it says girl boss, so I think which I am. And this dual mirror is for 169. The second one is these two oil absorption paper rolls. I have purchased two because I have a combination skin, and most of the time my T-zone is oily, and these days I have a lot of acne and breakout because of the oil production, and I feel this is very useful because it takes off all your dirt and greasiness on your face. And the price for this is just 120 rupees. The next thing I took is this facial cleansing brush. Again, reason being I have acne and breakout, and not just because of acne and breakout. People who like to cleanse their face every day can use this brush. It is very smooth. It has a rough surface. It will take off all the blackheads and the dead skin which you have, and I think it's quite essential, and I suggest you girls and ladies to buy this. And the price for this brush is 249 rupees. The next one which I like looks very royal. This is this foundation brush which has smooth bristles, and I think with this the foundation will glide smoothly on my face. The price for this is 199 only. The next one is this box of cotton face pads. There is 100% cotton. There are 250 packs in this, and it is for 199 rupees. What I liked about it is it comes with a container box. So I think when the contents get empty, you can use this box for something else. And the price for this, as I said, is 199 only. The second thing I like, since I am into makeup these days, and I really love this 3D eyelashes. It is for 199 rupees. So I think that was a good deal, and there are pack of three pairs in this. So yeah, that's it for the cosmetics. Then I came across this perfume which is at the men's section. This is for 199 again. I found it. I found the container on the men's section. As I said, it is 100% perfume, no gas, and the fragrance is long lasting and smells like aquamarine kind of fragrance. It's good. I'm going to gift it to my husband. I was looking for this microfiber material towel, but I found this beautiful head cap. It will dry your hair real quick after your hair wash. It has an elastic here at the end which will fit your head. It will not fall off easily. There are different colors there. You can go check out at the store. And the price for this cap is 159. I feel it's really affordable. The next thing which I needed and which was very essential for me was this makeup bag. It is very handy. I like the color. It's peach in color and it has a zipper. Here you can put in all your makeup brushes. They have given one more compartment with a zipper wherein you can put all your lipsticks, eyeliner and other things so that it doesn't fall off. And the next thing is this huge space which they have given. You can put in your accessories like earrings, clips, bangles, necklace, tissue papers or makeup items, other makeup items. So I think this was a good deal and the material is good. I think it will last long. It's quite durable I think, and it's easy to carry because they have given this. Price for this is 599. If you go to the store and check out, there is a geeky counter for gadgets. You can get so many accessories for your laptops and mobile. I picked up this AirPods which is for 229 only. Actually it is not AirPod, it is earphones, but the packaging is just like AirPod. What I liked it is you can keep your earphones in this. It will remain safe, you will not lose it. It will remain tangle free, and they have given this hook so that you can hook it up to your jeans. It has good sound quality and it has super bass. I'm gifting it to my husband because he has habit of misplacing and losing things. The next one and the last one in this shopping haul is this ring bracket which is golden in color. It is finely polished, smooth, comfortable grip. It is stable sticking and it doesn't drop off, and also it has multi-angle play. And the price for this is 79 rupees. So I picked this up. Again, this I'm giving it to, actually not giving it to my husband, I'm keeping it to myself. Many of you boys and girls out there are very much obsessed with Korean movies, their web series, songs and their dresses. So what I suggest you, since you have this very Korean lifestyle store in Kalburgi, do visit Beko's. Thank you guys for watching this video which was on Beko's outlet tour, product review and shopping haul. Do like, share and subscribe with your friends and family. Take care. Bye.